Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making a super easy and cute paper butterfly. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the corner of our paper and we're going to fold it. Make sure this corner is nice and aligned so that we can make a square sheet of paper. But if you have a already square piece of paper, that's fine. So we're going to fold it just like that and make like a triangle, and then we're going to get our scissors and we're going to cut along here. I'll see you guys when I've cut it. Now I'm done cutting it. Once you've cut it, you just open it up like that and try and flatten out the paper. Okay, so the first or second step is, depending on what paper you have, is you're going to fold your paper in half, just like that, so it looks like a rectangle. And then we're going to make sure we push down on the line, and now we're going to open it up again. We're going to turn it to the side and fold it in half again, making another rectangle. Once you've done that, you can unfold it again, and now we're going to fold from one corner to the other corner. So I'm going to take this half and we're going to fold it over to the top. We're going to press down on the bottom. Once you've done that, you're going to open it again, and you are going to do from corner to corner one more time. Now that you've done that, you're going to open it, you're going to lay it out flat. You can see the cross in here like that, and you are going to pick two of these triangles and just nicely fold them in like this. And we're going to do the same to the opposite side. Just going to fold it in like that to make a triangle. And you're going to push that flat and you're going to fold that in half. Once you folded that in half, get your pair of scissors, and this corner where it's open, you're just going to kind of cut it and make it curved, just like that. Gonna make sure it's nice and curved. Okay. Once you've cut it, you're going to open it, make sure the bottom side is flat, and you can see that there's two flaps on either side. You're gonna take one flap and you're gonna fold it up like this. You can also see the line here, and you're gonna kind of make a V shape with both of these two flaps. Just keep a little distance from the line, just like that, and you're gonna do the same on the other side. Just like that. Now once you've done that, you are going to flip it over like that, and you're going to fold this triangle up here, but make sure the point goes over the top line a little bit, and you're not going to press down on here, otherwise your butterfly will be looking a little bit flat. And once you've done that, you're going to flip it over, and this triangle, you're going to fold it in, and you're also going to get your glue stick and you can glue it down. Or you could even just push down really hard on it. Once you've glued it or just pushed it down really hard, you're going to fold it slightly in half. This middle part, gonna pinch the top part like that, and there you have a beautiful paper butterfly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!